Hi guys, if you want to create a guest Wi-Fi network using your laptop, this quick guide is going to show you the exact steps. So you are going to learn how you can set it up directly from your web browser. So first of all, on your laptop, you just have to simply open any of your web browsers like Chrome or Edge. Now, when you are inside it, in the search bar, you just have to simply type 10.0.0.1, and after pressing it, you just have to simply press enter. So this is going to open your Xfinity router settings page where you need to enter the username and the password. And by default, the username is admin and the password is the password unless you changed it. So when you log in into your account, you are going to see this type of gateway control panel. So over here, you just have to go to the connection. Then inside connection, you are going to see the Wi-Fi option. When you select that Wi-Fi option, inside it, you need to look for the guest network option. And this is going to allow you to create a separate network for the visitors. So you need to simply turn on the guest network toggle and enter the network name or the SSID, and then you can set a strong password. Just make sure that it is different from your main Wi-Fi. Afterwards, just make sure that you click on the option of save in order to save the settings and in order to apply the changes. Now your guest network is active. You can share this new Wi-Fi name and the password with your guests. And thanks for watching.